welcome to your Mindful Minute, in which we are practicing positive, mindful speech. Today, especially honoring self-compassion and patience.
Yes.
Which brings us to today's affirmation, which is, I power through in times of ambiguity. Especially for the times in life when you're like, what is this?
Yes, which happens all the time.
And just trusting that our intentions and our consistency and effort is going to relate to what we're meant to do. So, you can put your hands wherever it serves you to help you be mindful. And you can repeat the affirmation.
I power through times of ambiguity.
I power through in times of ambiguity.
I power through in times of ambiguity.
And wishing you much power